Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping and adjusting the paint so it flows evenly. Wipe and sand glossy areas, remove contaminants that cause dragging. Once done, thin only to the manufacturer's range, or about 5–10% for latex, to improve leveling without losing coverage. Use a good quality brush or a 1/4 to 1/2 inch nap roller to lay paint thinly. Apply light pressure and steady strokes so excess doesn't pool. Make sure tools are clean and handles comfortable to reduce fatigue. You continue by applying paint in small, manageable sections and keeping the wet edge to avoid lap marks. Load your tool lightly. A heavily loaded brush or roller drops paint and creates runs. Once you start a 3–4 foot area, use steady, even passes and a 10–20% overlap to blend. Make sure to feather each edge and back roll or tip off to remove ridges. If using a sprayer, reduce pressure and move at a consistent speed so droplets don't accumulate and drip. You finish by allowing full drying between coats and inspecting under good light for runs or sags. Make sure to sand minor high spots with 220 grit and wipe clean so new coats bond smoothly. If you notice a run while wet, immediately smooth it by dragging the brush or roller gently across the sag to redistribute paint. Do not add more. Once dry, sand and recoat the affected area. If runs recur, reduce coat thickness, check thinning ratio, and confirm tool condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.